Coming at you from Bremer Law, just taking a quick moment, we're going to talk about a recent change in the law. We have been receiving a great deal of phone calls, inundated with phone calls about this new law that you keep hearing about all over the place. So we're going to try to explain that for you, and hopefully at the end of this video, you'll understand this new law. First and foremost, you have to understand that this only applies to people who are in immigration court proceedings. That means those who have seen an immigration judge or have been sent to see an immigration judge. If you have not seen a judge, you've never been sent to an immigration judge, never given documents to see a judge, this change does not apply to you. That's the first thing you have to know. The second thing you have to understand is to see a judge, ICE gives you a document called a notice to appear. That notice to appear tells you, supposedly, where you're supposed to see the judge and when you see the judge. Now, when you see a judge, often there's many things you could do to try to stay in the United States and even get residency in the United States. One of those things is called cancellation of removal. If your deportation is canceled, you're given a residency document. You become a legal permanent resident. Now, to do that, you have to have 10 years in the United States physically prior to going to immigration court. Now, that's the old law. The Supreme Court said, and this is the big change, that when immigration gives you this piece of paper saying go to court, if it does not have a date and time, that 10 years continue. They keep counting. And so somebody who had been here 8 years and was given a notice to appear in immigration court in the past can never apply for cancellation of removal, never apply for this residency through cancellation of removal. But now, on many notices to appear, there is no date and time, which means that even if you're given that notice to appear after only being maybe a year or two in the United States, and if your hearing takes many, many years, you might still be able to apply for cancellation or removal many years later because your notice to appear does not have a date and time. And again, this only applies to people in immigration court proceedings. If you've been ordered removed from the United States or you're currently in removal proceedings, I highly suggest you speak to an immigration attorney on whether or not this change can help you.